Welcome to Vibe. Today I'm going to showcase our new feature, Vibe Rooms. From your apps page, tap on Vibe Rooms, and you will see 4 options. You can use the Microsoft Teams, Google Meet, Zoom, or the Vibe Classic. Vibe Classic is what you have when you first open the board. If you are using Zoom or Google Meet or Teams, simply select that template. If you have not yet set up your calendar, you can do that here. Once you are satisfied, click Use this template and click Done. Now when you return to your home screen, your new template will show and any meetings that you have scheduled will show on screen here. You can simply tap on the icon in the meeting to join the meeting automatically. If you decide you want to revert back to the default, you can click Touch to Start, return to Vibe Rooms, and then select the template for Vibe Classic. In the Vibe Room settings, if you scroll to the right, you will see there are other options that are coming soon. If you have one of these options that you see that you would like to use, simply click Preview, select I like this template, and your vote will be cast.